I'm Molly.
I'm Katie.
I'm Katie as well, and today we're going to show you how to cook turn the whole for up to 4 people. Just so you know, me and Katie, we do not know how to cook this. So Katie and I is going to teach us how to cook it, and we thought that that's why we film ourselves soon.
It's an old family favourite of mine, so yeah, I hope you enjoy. So the ingredients are under £5 are the main things that you need. So we have got, I'll show you. So we have got some potatoes, we've got 6 free-range eggs, some pork sausages, reduced fat as well, and we have got some milk. Then again, we've got a massive bag of flour here that we will not use, so then again it'll
Only a little bit of that.
Yep. And then last but not least, this is optional but it was in the £5, so we thought why not. Some mixed vegetables, so we've got some cauliflower, broccoli, peas, carrots, which goes really, really nice in the middle of the toad in the
And
hole.
because it's frozen as well, it will last you a really long time.
Yeah, just let you know, toad in the hole is massive Yorkshire pudding with sausages in the middle that we like to save it with homemade mashed potato, the vegetables, and then on the side we like to add gravy. Which we all prepare yourself, you know, you'll have some gravy in the oven hopefully. So the extras are our gravy.
It's not including the £5, but they're probably things you like.
Like we like that in the neighbourhood anyway. So salt and pepper, hopefully we've got a bit of salt and pepper in the cupboard. Just some olive oil just to get the sausages going. Some butter just to put in the mash to get it a bit more flavoursome.
We're just going to turn the oven on now, just so the oven starts.
So it needs to
warm.
be at 200 degrees Celsius, just to preheat.
Perfect.
And then just to go through with what equipment you need. So we've got a bowl here to put the Yorkshire pudding and the sausages inside. We've got 2 pans, one for some vegetables, and also the vegetable water you can mix with the gravy as well. And we've also got one for the mashed potato. We've got a whisk to mix all the ingredients, the wooden spoon, mash to mash the potato, and just the mix and then just the jug that we're going to pour all the Yorkshire pudding mix into. And this is a bit different to how you probably measure things, but this is how I've always done it. So you put flour, eggs and milk in all the exact same height, and this will do 4 people. And that's how I always make a perfect toad in the hole. I like to do flour first because if you do milk or eggs it starts to stick and then too nicely. So we'll get a spoon and we're going to put equal amounts of each egg, flour and milk. To be fair, we'll just do it up to here so you've got a bit of room at the top. Just a bit of room at the top, just a bit everywhere.
So do I just mix it in so it's not lumpy? And
Yeah. So do you know if you used to make a pancake, it's the same mix? So now we're just going to leave this to stand for a little while whilst we prep the mashed potato and put the sausages in just to preheat. Also just a little tip, if you don't have a whisk and you don't want to buy one, then feel free to use a fork. I use a fork sometimes. So I'm just going to put some olive oil in here, just enough so that all the sausages will be filled.
Okay, so I've just filled up the kettle and I'm going to stick the kettle on, and that's hot water we can use for our mashed potatoes and we'll sweet sandwich later.
Yeah, and now we're going on to the sausages. So you want to spread the sausages nice and even. And so now just pour a tiny bit of olive oil on top. Yeah, that's fine. And then place them in the oven, and you want to place them in the oven for 15 minutes, just so they can preheat.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
And whilst they cook, we're going to start on our potatoes. So I'm going to start by putting them, pass on to Katie who's going to chop them, and then we're going to put them in the water.
I'm literally just dreaming about eating. Getting excited.
So also in your potatoes, you just want to add a little bit of salt and just to help them cook and so the potatoes are currently cooking. They've got about 3 minutes left. I've given them a stir. You can kind of feel myself in there. The kettle's boiling, ready to do the veg.
We can do some gravy as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we need another jug for that. And the kettle water that's going to use. Just while we're just going to put this into the veg. We're going to fill the bowl. We've chosen a bigger pan just because
that means that the toad in the hole is ready. We'll leave it in for a few more.
And then we're just gonna and this veg that we got literally takes 5 minutes, so you can literally just add it in at the end.
The last little preparation.
These are from Aldi as well, we've just got these already. We're just gonna put a spoonful in the jug, some water.
And then just keep adding if you need to add.
And the trick is just to keep stirring it until it goes.
A little homemade trick I used to do is I used to save a little bit of Yorkshire pudding mix and pour some in the gravy, but that's not obviously not to everyone's taste, but it just makes it a bit like, almost like peppercorny, you know.
This is the exciting part.
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
Oh.
That looks really, really good. So we're gonna bring it out, put it on the table. Here we are. Fergus, this is toad in the hole.
Toad in the hole.
Wicked. Great.
We've got mash
And veg.
And veg. Perfect.